Now I'm here today with the Narwal Freo X Plus. They claim to be one of the best robot vacuums for under $400 and with 7800 PA suction and a roller brush that won't get tangled up in hair. I think they might be right, but let's find out for ourselves. Right on top I have my user manual, my first use, and everything else that I need to know. Underneath that I have my full-on user manual to tell me everything else. Now this one comes, the Narwal Freo X Plus comes with a floor protector because the Narwal does also mop, and they want it to be considerate of people who would have their docking stations on carpet and keeping your carpet clean. You don't want your Freo X Plus mopping up milk and then your rug ending up smelling like sour milk while it dries. My two spinner brushes. Now the Narwal Freo X Plus is a mop and a vacuum all in one. Now something that I do like that they thought about was the fact that not everybody wants to be reusing mops and not everybody likes cleaning out dustbins. So they sent me with 2 disposable mops and 1 reusable one, along with 2 disposable dustbins, along with my reusable dustbin that is inside here. So my reusable one is right here. It looks pretty similar, dumps pretty easily, has a lovely filter, and looks almost exactly like this one, minus the bag. And to be able to use this, all I have to do is remove this one and slide this one into place. And that's kind of nice because these disposable ones will last up to 7 weeks depending on the cleanliness of your home, and all you gotta do is pull them out and toss them in the trash. No emptying them. They are also leak proof when you don't tamper with the bag, and that's really nice too. They also come with some dust bag guardians to keep your vacuum smelling nice and fresh. And just all in all, those are some nice features that they thought about when putting this together. On the back here I have my mop bucket or my water container, and this I can also open up right on top, and that's where my clean water will be going. And once I fill it up, I can put it right back into its spot, just like so. Put this all back on, and then flipping it over, I have a second reusable mop pad here on the bottom. It just simply is velcroed on, so I can pull off my velcro and then slide it out. And if I would prefer to use a disposable one instead, I simply slide this in and velcro it on. I think either mop head will work pretty well, and depending on how dirty and gross your floors are, they're gonna work nicely for no matter what. My magnets are right here so I can stick it down. Now this does have a mop lifting ability, so your Freo X Plus vacuum can go from tile to carpet, and your mop is not going to soak your floor. And then I have my roller brush with anti-tangling properties. Pull out that, and here it is. And you can kind of see how it tapers down to the one end. And that works out so that as the hair gets sucked on, it just can easily keep going around and eventually gets sucked into the hole at the far end where it doesn't have the chance to get stuck. That's going to be super nice for anybody with dogs, long human hair, or anything else. And we will get to test that out because, as you can see, I have cats, I have dogs, I have my own hair, and we're going to be able to test that out, and I hope it works because I hate cleaning up hair. So snap it all back into place, and we are ready to go. I'm going to take my 2 spinner brushes and attach them. They are color coded. They just attach with a nice snap. And voila, I am ready to go. Right here is so I'm connecting my Narwal vacuum to my phone via the app. Although it doesn't come with the dustbin attachment kind of deal, I do like how little space this takes up.
Wrong Wi-Fi password. Please try again.
Even if it won't connect to my Wi-Fi.
Network connected.
So once my vacuum is attached to my phone, it of course gives me some live updates about what's going on, but my instructions gave me some great information on how to set up the base, how to attach to my app, and everything else. And once attached, I can see what my battery life is and what my device is currently doing, which is in standby mode, and it would like to update now.
Updating. Please do not move the device. Mapping started. Please put away obstacles on the floor and open the doors of rooms to be cleaned. Self-cleaning started. Child lock on.
Alright, I went and got some dog hair. It's nice and thick. We will let Freo suck up that dog hair and then see if it's all stuck in the roller brush afterwards. So I have my app. I'm going to ask it to vacuum only, just this little area, just so it sucks up goes after that dog hair. I'm going to press go.
Cleaning started.
Has performance tested, anti-hair entanglement, quiet, normal, strong, and hyper. Not only can I control my Narwal Freo X Plus with my phone via the app, I can also control it with my Alexa or get an app through Google Play.
Task completed. Charging started. Drying and disinfection started.
Let's see if our Narwal Freo X Plus got tangled up with that dog hair. That was long German Shepherd hair that gets stuck in all of my vacuums. Check it out. It's a clean roller brush. And next we will see what it does for mopping.
Freo Smart Mopping started.
When mopping, it can apply 6N downward pressure with a 280 milliliter water tank and 4 pipelines. You can adjust the flow and mop dampness, clean a surface of over 4,843 square feet per fill. With tri-laser obstacle avoidance technology, low obstacles and small objects will be avoided